Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate eggs. First, select your favorite high-quality chocolate, ideally with at least 60% cocoa content for a rich flavor. Next, gently melt about 200 grams of this chocolate using a double boiler. This method helps prevent burning. Stir continuously until the chocolate is smooth and reaches a temperature of 31 degrees Celsius, which is crucial for proper tempering and a shiny finish. Once your chocolate is perfectly tempered, it's time to prepare your egg molds. Make sure they are completely clean and dry. Any moisture can ruin the chocolate. Carefully pour the melted chocolate into each half of the egg mold, filling it to the brim. Then, gently tap the molds on your counter a few times. This helps to release any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a smooth, even coating and a perfect shell. After filling, place your chocolate molds into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. This chilling time allows the chocolate to set firmly. Once solid, carefully unmold the chocolate egg halves. They should pop out easily if tempered correctly. To assemble, gently warm the edges of two halves on a warm surface, then press them together firmly. Hold for a few seconds until they seal, creating a complete chocolate egg. Now for the fun part, decorating. You can use edible glitter, colorful icing, or even more melted chocolate to add unique designs to your eggs. Once decorated, store your beautiful creations in a cool, dry place away from any direct sunlight to maintain their shine and prevent melting. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.